Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Pelly!
It would be better for you to be my back engine, Diesel. After all, it is my...
Take a route where I pass by beautiful places. Do you want to follow me? Really?
What just happened?
Mater, let's go! You're on! You ready to lose?
Last one to the water tower, buys a round of fuel.
Tell you what, I'll give you guys a head start.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
Well, you know, race cars don't need headlights because the track is always lit.
That was so...
Unibats!
I hereby dub thee.
Will you?
Act civilized. We.
You are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac,
I thought it was just a preview, and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PPS.
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the way.
Nope.
We all know the answer.
don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
Thanks, guys!
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
¡Recto!
I need you to watch the prisoner tonight.
Well, daggone. Wait a minute. What if he tries to run again?
Welcome back. You look different.
Obviously.
You look ready.
So, ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluff.
Hello, Pete! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
Yes, that's me, Chester Whipplefilter.
And I'm Francis Beltline.
Sold them.
To who?
No idea. He's my best customer, but he always does his business over.
Francesco, I'd like you to meet...
Signorina Sally. It is official. Lightning McQueen.
So, Mater, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
I knew you needed a crew chief, but I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Well,
Good to have you back, honey.
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't...
Thank you!
Hey, Cruz, your blinker's on.
It is? Oh, you got me! Very fun.
Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That crazy old devil.
Encontramos a Chick Hicks. Ha perseguido el título toda su carrera.
Chick creyó que este era su año.
As Ferrari. Which one of them looked more like a Ferrari? There were even some non-Ferrari.